Hey there, business owners. Are you ready to unlock the secret language of Google and skyrocket your rankings? Today, I'm diving into the magic of search intent, the digital mind reader that can transform your online presence. Search intent is all about understanding the why behind every search query. Imagine knowing exactly what your customers want when they type something into Google. That's search intent. And companies that align their content with it see up to 45% higher click-through rates and 30% better conversion rates. So let's break it down. There are 4 types of search intent: informational, navigational, transactional, and commercial investigation. Think of these as the different motivations behind every search. First up, informational intent. This is when users are looking for answers or solutions. They might type in how to bake a cake or what is search intent. Your job? Provide them with valuable, informative content that satisfies their curiosity. Next, we've got navigational intent. Here, users are trying to find a specific website or page. They might search for Facebook login or digital marketing all's blog. Make sure your site is easy to navigate so they find exactly what they're looking for. Third, transactional intent. These users are ready to make a purchase. They might search for buy running shoes online or best smartphone deals. Your goal? Create content that makes the buying process smooth and irresistible. Finally, commercial investigation. These users are comparing products or services before making a decision. They might type in best CRM software or top laptops 2025. Offer them detailed comparisons and reviews to guide them towards a choice, ideally yours. Now here's the kicker. Understanding and prioritizing search intent can double your organic traffic within 6 months. In fact, 76% of successful businesses already prioritize search intent in their content strategy. So, how do you get started? First, analyze the search terms your audience uses. Look for patterns in the why behind their queries. Then, tailor your content to match these intentions. Use tools like Google Analytics, SEMrush, or Ahrefs to gain deeper insights. Remember, it's all about meeting your customers where they are and giving them exactly what they need. When you align your content with search intent, you're not just improving your rankings, you're building trust and delivering real value. So, go ahead, start speaking the secret language of Google and watch your rankings soar. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on boosting your business online. Catch you next time.